Yeah.
Yeah. Where they forward, where they my father and chuck off in like pool. I bust up my forehead by the pool ground.
Jaja youth? What
yeah,
that?
me check say pool is deep like the one over my place.
Yeah. Jaja.
Yeah, man. And so me land on my face.
Jaja.
I tell you.
Yeah, be careful. So them never test it out already?
Yeah, but I'm taller than they are.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, man. One lick na my forehead. Boof.
Jaja.
So about same time.
I even know they are doing the street vibes? The straight vibes?
Yeah, one party. We just left for a party. Me tell you, say a private party. Cause I remember we work hard and party harder.
Yes, man. Harder.
Yeah, man. Forward on us about after 2 in the morning. Chuck off in a pool, in a clothes, everything. Shades. Boof.
Jaja.
I know the man them still alive.
Yeah, look for water and find concrete.
Concrete. Nearly look out my damn teeth.
Never plant feet.
Never plant feet.
We can't laugh now because you're good. But
yeah, man. Yeah, man. Try now, laugh later, you know?
Yeah.
You know, and select a tone in material. Even fire links them too. Dirty Foota Hype them when they hungry full of contact with the general now. And this will be a dance and spot. Come ready. Shoot up with the dirty Are we on dance and all night God? Now this not set me man me down there. Shoot in the man for internet. You think that YouTube has one more you more fun?
People, you have some man on the internet where a party man and I know so them a party man, you know. And black that boy, yeah. Hear him. You're lucky say the general change cause all who know that dash way. Brother, my boss from me 19. My boss 2001. I'm still there up here now. So, me that do what I do before the general change and before the general get up in an age, and Foota Hype never change it at the same Foota Hype. So, when you just go and wanna go to the man style. I only love trace for man, so. I only love put on in a gurgle and trace for man, so. When you don't hear me and bounty killer have with thing them, when you not say nothing, if you lock on the mouth and keep on the mouth quiet, shut in the fucking mouth. Shut in the mouth. Killer know say him and a victim. When me talk and I burn me fire, killer know say him and a victim. You hear that? Killer know say me have a right to burn any fire when me have burn. And talk anything when me have talk. You hear killer come out of trace like you know? Eh? And you not learn. You know, sister, when we get up and kill each other and war over artists. And artists just get up when they're ready and decide to be back friend and not care about nobody with that war. And not care about nobody will get hurt and no feelings will get hurt and nothing. Them decide so them want to be back friend and everything done. So we will not get up and take up on the head. If killer get up a man and say man Foota Hype go link, what you can do is stop it. Do you think if me see Bounty Killer now and go over to him and say, DJ, what go on? He might thump me in my face? Do you think that going to happen? That will never happen. That will never happen. So I don't come out of that, man. And Lord that, man. Me as a man, I just stand for my principles and my values and I know what I know and I stand up and what I truly believe in. Oh, everybody have a problem with a human being. We believe in a self-value. We believe in a worth. I don't understand, you know. Someone that fall around the door know nobody. Who don't know killer for real. Who don't know me for real. Who don't know nobody for real. Who just see some things on the internet and start put on a gurgle and start chase like bitch. Bounty Killer know say whenever me event and whenever me get in my vibe and burn my fire, me deserve to burn it. Him know that. Him know say me are one of the most loyal youth ever they run him. And if him never hurt me, me wouldn't style him. I'm missing up on what talk about, but no Foota this did I say this year, so I don't show the part them when killer did I do. I don't show when killer diss me how much months I may never say nothing. Killer diss me how much months me do the video on the car, I do the ads, him style me. Oh, when your man buy your car, when you dep on your man car skin out, me do my foot and my hand, I get my foot shall and my hand shall. The man put it up and post say when your man a carry up on date and you fix up for your man. Oh, no not talk about them something there. Oh, no not talk about how much months killer diss me and me not say nothing. Me a matter around put up one picture and put up 2 Batman. He must live in for me. Me never answer him yet. Until him disrespect my daughter. When him diss my daughter, me lose it. And me style him and me diss him and me talk a bag of something. And me not take it back and me not apologize for it because of him cause it. A film action cause my reaction. You understand what I say? A theme action caused my reaction. So I will never apologize for my rant when me go up and never, ever. Because it was deserving. So killer can't complain of victim. And killer they have a business more time. And only the followers are going like say Foota this loyal and Foota ungrateful and Foota sellout. Like what? So you are this me for over 4 or 5 months and me not say nothing. And you start this me pick me too. And if you take it, come here, idiot. Wanna go sit down, yeah? Wanna try go sit down? Killer owe me apology. Killer owe me. I'm sorry. Cause the time I him a matter around a war, me and him never have nothing. Me and him never have nothing, you know. But through me a matter around the road and I take picture and do something, you just start this me too. You understand? So, someone wanna look at Batman. Cause I'm not happy Batman. Me no soon get up on different ladies, sir. Nor Shensia, nor Chanel Muir, nor Vanessa Bling, sir. But when it come to man, mighty God, uno different man on a different level, you know, man. Uno different man on a different level. No mental, I know mash up the reason, but from a day more address it like someone are going like me just get up and me just violate killer like me a madman. One of the most loyal youth will risk my life 1,000,000 times for alliance. Me just get up and start this alliance because me an idiot. Me not a sense. Me just get up and start violate my DJ. When me rate the most in the whole DJ business. Me just get up and start violate my DJ because me not a sense. Me take just sit down. And you notice them go find all the old video them with me, but they don't want to find none of the old video them where killer this me now. I show you how people stay now. Remember all of the video them there on the internet, all the video them there on social media, but them go zine, them go dig up all of the video them where me I say something bad about killer, but nobody not go pick up the video them where killer this me. All on Jamrock Cruise, me didn't remember that. Me dey on Jamrock Cruise, me no diss him, me no him just stop him show and start diss me. Nobody no remember that. In front of how much 1,000 people on the cruise. And Stephen Marley say, hey, don't say nothing, you know, hold it. And me still have the discipline. You know, say Stephen Marley, I'm a general, and Stephen Marley say, hold it. Come remember me dey on the side of the stage just saying, I walk off, you go out there now. And Stephen Marley say, hey, hold it. Don't do it. Relax. I mean, I remember a liquid or one of the next man say, yo, no pay a killer no mind, just low it. General name feelings, low it. I mean, low it. Never say me I play him there on the show, I perform him diss me. Me I play after the show, you know. So me have all options to do this him back, you know. Me I play the next day before show. Him don't perform for the ship and me have the ship for the whole of the rest of the time. And me never do that. And me never disrespect him, I hold it. So how much time I want people for hold disrespect? Me ask you know. Because me never know say, me not grow say now. No man, this important man, I'm not talk about continue to talk to hell. This important. Because no found love get up about Foota at this general and Foota ungrateful and for you chat too much. You don't know and somehow you see it, but you don't want to acknowledge it because you want to pick up to the artists all the time. All the while you don't want to look to pick up to the artists then because all the artists have more money and the artists rare. Me a big man. Me a human being and me have my pitney them. And me have my dog them and my thugs them and my friend them who look up to me as them done.